Welcome. Today, we're diving into a helpful guide on managing your profile photo visibility on LinkedIn, especially with the recent updates. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional presence or simply adjust your privacy settings, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process on your PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Me icon. Click on it to access your profile. Next, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including your profile photo settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate the Account Preferences option on the left sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of settings related to your account. Now, scroll down until you find the Display section. Under this category, look for Show Profile Photos. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page where you can manage who sees your profile photo. Here, you'll see several options that allow you to customize your visibility settings. You can choose to show your profile photo to first-degree connections only, your network, or all LinkedIn members. Depending on your comfort level and professional needs, select the option that best suits you. After making your selection, make sure to save your changes. This is an important step as it ensures that your preferences are updated correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully managed the visibility of your LinkedIn profile photo. Remember, having a visible profile photo can significantly enhance your credibility and make it easier for potential connections to recognize you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience. Happy networking!